Dear doctors and students, welcome to part 3 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala. We are thankful to your valuable suggestions, comments and feedback on the part 1 and 2 of analyzing symptoms and selecting the rubrics. And I am sure this work will definitely help the new generation doctors and students for arriving at a simillimum. And this work is based on the homeopathic repertories of Kent, Synthesis, Murphy and Complete Repertory. Now, how to master the art of case taking? The art of case taking can be learned only by interacting with the maximum number of patients of different age group and diseases during student life itself. My dear students and new gen doctors, remember there is no shortcut. The art of case taking can be mastered only by interacting with the maximum number of patients of different age group during the student life itself, and there is no shortcut. Remember, the patient should feel that the doctor is someone who cares, where he can trust and where he can reveal anything. You have to develop an attitude like this. The patient should feel that the doctor is someone who cares, where he can trust and where he can reveal everything. Then only you will get the personal details, the mental symptoms, the sexual complaints. So try to remember, the patient should feel that the doctor is someone who cares, where he can trust and to him he can reveal anything. The history taking and the clinical examinations are the crucial initial steps even in the middle of the sophisticated investigations. Remember, even in the middle of the sophisticated investigations. Clinical skill is acquired only by study and experience. Always something to learn from each case. That too needs tremendous skill. Even though you are an experienced practitioner, we will get something new. Always something to learn from each case. That too needs tremendous skill. And as you gain experience, your clinical reasoning will begin at the outset of the patient encounter, not at the end. If you are an experienced practitioner, your reasoning will begin at the outset of the patient encounter and not at the end. Remember, history is more important than investigation. Dear doctors and students, remember the history is more important than the investigation. For example, an infertility case in OPD, all investigations are normal. And later only the patient told about the history of tuberculosis. Remember, the tubercular salpingitis is a common cause of infertility in India. All investigations are normal. But later only the patient told about the past history of tuberculosis. So the history taking, that is more important than the investigations. The part of history taking is probably the most dependent on the skill of the doctor. That dependent on the skill of the doctor. That may vary from doctor to doctor. The process of history taking for different patients will never be identical. That may be different for the pediatric age group, adolescent age group, the elderly person, the psychiatric patients, acute disease and chronic disease. So the process of history taking for different patients will never be identical. Kids study the history. Men make history. Legends delete history, and the medical students take history. We are taking the history. And they take proper history and examination before prescribing an investigation. Always remember, take proper history and examination before prescribing an investigation. For example, a 50-year-old smoker with abdominal pain and occasional vomiting. The physician ordered directly the USG without examination and found out a stone in the gallbladder, removed the gallbladder, but the pain still persists. What is the inference? What is your observation about this investigation? Actually, there is a case of peptic ulcer. Gallstone was asymptomatic and incidentally detected in USG. So the history taking and proper examination, that is more important than prescribing an investigation. So take a history first and proper clinical examination, then only prescribe investigation. Unnecessary investigation without proper indication adds a negative reputation to the doctor. Without proper indication, without prior history taking, and without prior clinical examination adds a negative reputation to the doctor. Never go for a high-end investigation at the beginning itself. The patient may ask for CT, MRI, etc. after referring to the internet sources. Nowadays, many of the patients are Google patients, but do the basic investigation first, then only high-end sophisticated investigations. Otherwise, other doctors and the lab people may suspect the doctor for giving costly investigation for trivial complaints. That may add a negative reputation to the doctor. Just to see this picture, the difference in observation. For example, the Amit Shah thinks how to add Sonia Gandhi to BJP. The Sonia Gandhi thinks how to give Amit Shah a punch. But we think, who is that beautiful girl with the black specs standing behind the Harshavardhan? So difference in observation. So that is why we got different set of symptoms and different medicines. Okay. Now we will discuss some beautiful rubrics, some important clinical situations. How to convert that clinical situations into the language of the repertory. Has no relief at all. Still the patient comes for the treatment again and again. There are some type of patients, they have more belief in the doctor. Even though there is no relief, still the patient comes for the treatment again. So which rubric will work out in this case? We'll get lot of symptoms by simply observing the patient or observing the nature of the patient. Has no relief at all. Still the patient comes for the treatment again and again. The rubrics, you can take either optimistic. The patient is still have faith in the doctor. So the faith, that's another rubric. Dependent on physician, that's the third rubric. And hopeful recovery of. These are all some rubrics that's related to this particular situation. You can take this rubric. Dependent on physician, hopeful recovery from the mind chapter. Demands more number of the same things received already. The child wants more toys of the same type. The child wants the more toys of the same type. The rubrics desire more than she needs. Possessive, same thing in more number. These are the two rubrics. Possessive, same thing, the same type of toy in more number. Desire more than she needs. Child demand different varieties of toys. In the previous case, the same type of toy the child is demanding. But if the child is demanding different varieties of toys, how you will work out? Desires, full of desires, numerous various things to desire for. That's a related rubric in that case. Desires, full of desires, numerous various things desire for. Every day she fears that her husband might get an accident and is highly tense till he reaches back. It's a common symptom that we usually get in our clinic. She fears that her husband might get an accident and is highly tense till he reaches back. So this rubric is there in cancer repertory also. The rubric fear, happen something will husband that he would never return. That's one rubric. Second one, anxiety husband about. And third one, apprehension. Apprehension means fear with an element of doubt and expectation of something unpleasant is going to happen. But in many repertories, the apprehension, there is no medicines represented. So you can take fear happen, something will happen that will never return. Anxiety husband about, that is a second rubric. Child sleeps only when held close to the mother. Wakes up when parted from the mother. How you will work out this condition? Child sleeps only when held close to the mother. Wakes up when parted or separated from the mother. Held desired to. That's a rubric in that case. Then, mind mourning, groaning, shrieking with occasional could only be pacified by holding the chest pressed close to the mother's chest. That's another rubric. Mind clinging, take hand or part of the mother will always sleep during. And third one, mind holding, mother's hand, child constantly holding. These are all some rubrics related to the previous condition. Child sleeps only when held close to the mother, wakes up when parted from the mother. So you can take either held desire to or mind mourning, groaning, shrieking with occasional could only be pacified by holding the chest pressed close to the mother's chest. Otherwise he will not sleep. That rubric is there in complete repertory. Another interesting rubric in complete repertory, mind clinging, take hand or part of the mother will always sleep during. Then another one rubric in synthesis repertory, mind holding, mother's hand, child constantly holding. These are all some rubrics related to this particular condition. Jumping from a height using a tied rope and jumping from a height freely without a rope. How will you work out this? Jumping from a height using a tied rope and jumping from a height freely without a rope. So the first one is boldness, mind boldness. That means with care, jumping from a height using a tied rope. Then audacity means negative boldness, jumping from a height freely without a rope, without proper arrangements. That's the two difference between the boldness and audacity. Always sad without any special reason. Without any special reason, she always found to be sad. Which rubric will work out? Sadness causeless, without any reason. She always dreams of borrowing money. He always dreams of borrowing money. So the rubric dreams, borrowing. Dreams of borrowing. Sexual pleasure from talking to people of the opposite sex. He or she will get sexual pleasure from talking to people of opposite sex. Which rubric will work out in this condition? Can you suggest a rubric? The rubric is sensual, sensual. And the patient called the doctor through the phone after reaching the home and tells the thing he missed to tell him during the consultation. That is a habit of some doctors, some patients. He calls the doctor through the phone after reaching the home and tell the things he missed to tell him during the consultation. So how you will work out this type of patients? It is very difficult to manage this type of personalities. Anxiety, health about, conscientious, trifle set, anxiety, conscientious, anxiety of. The third one is the most apt rubric. Anxiety, conscientious, anxiety of. Anxiety on trifle things, anxiety about the health. So these three are the related rubrics in this condition. I know everything, I have great knowledge. I know everything, I have learned a lot. I have great knowledge. That is delusion, knowledge he possesses infinite. And the second rubric, egotism. In certain webinars, you can see this type of doctors also. I have learned a lot. I had learned a lot. So, egotism or the delusion, knowledge he possesses infinite. Desire to do anal coition with his wife. How you will work out? Desire to do anal coition with his wife. The rubric is under love, anal coition with a woman, desire for. Mind love, anal coition with a woman, desire for. Always laments that his life become unworthy and meaningless. He or she always laments, mourning that his life became unworthy and meaningless. The rubric unfortunate feels, always feeling like that. Mind unfortunate feels. Though a child does everything with the maturity of a grown up person. A child doing everything as of a mature person. Two rubrics are there, precocity. And the another one, independent. Child is doing everything himself. Independent, or another rubric, precocity, prematurity. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? Leadership is nothing about size, it is an attitude. Leadership is nothing about the size, it is an attitude. A beautiful rubric available in the synthesis repertory, lead type behavior, and the sub rubrics alpha, beta, and gamma. Lead type behavior. She has a masculine nature and character. That lady has a masculine nature and behavior or character. A beautiful rubric in synthesis repertory, animus possession. Animus possession. Irresponsibility and carelessness resulting in losses. Because of the irresponsibility of the administrator, that particular institute lost many things. Irresponsibility and carelessness resulting in losses. Irresponsible attitude of the husband or the carelessness resulting in losses. The exact rubric is inadvertence. Inadvertence. That is the rubric. Tries to get attracted to other men. She always tries to get attracted to other men. The rubric, coquettish. Coquettish. Always trying to attract the other men. Curses his opponent when he fails in the argument. He always curses, using harsh insulting languages to his opponent when he fails in the argument. The rubric is swearing. Swearing. Still grieves about the child who died 15 years before. Still grieves about the child who died 15 years before. The rubric is dwelling. Otherwise, the rubric is brooding. If the child died recently or the incident happened recently, then the rubric is brooding. So, dwells for the remote grief. The incident happened years back. Believes whatever others say. She easily believes whatever others say. So, the rubric in that case, that's credulous. Credulous. Always wishes to cuddled by mother or held by the mother. Always wishes to cuddled by mother. The rubric, mind cuddle. He has a stony heart and is always very serious. Stony heart, hard-hearted personality, and is always very serious. The exact rubric for that condition is somber, somber. He throws away things when angry. Which rubric you will work out? He throws away the utensils or the food or whatever it may be when angry. The rubric is rage. Rage means he has no control over his anger. So, importance of lateral view and AP view in X-ray. Always take a lateral view along with the AP view. That is needed in many cases. Feeling a sense of emptiness, cannot analyze and understand the happenings around. Cannot analyze and understand the happenings around. Feeling a sense of emptiness. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? That is spaced out feeling. This rubric that is in synthesis repertory. Words get interchanged while speaking. Words get interchanged while speaking. The rubric, spoonerism. Another one, mistakes, making, speaking, words, transposing. These are the two rubrics that is available in the repertory. Spoonerism or mistakes making, speaking words transposing. Children with good intelligence. Children with good intelligence, extraordinary intelligence of comparing to that other children of that particular age group. Intellectual children, that's the rubric. Intellectual children. Dreams of feces, she always seeing the dreams of feces. Dreams, excrements, that is a rubric. Creates problem when the child does not get things done according to his wish. The child always creating problem when he does not get things done according to his wish. The contradiction, disposition to, that's a rubric. Contradiction, disposition to, always contradicts when things does not get according to his wish. Even the events happened many years before are clear in his memory. Even the events happened many years before are clear in his memory. Memory active past events for, that's a rubric. Memory active past events for. Take something to give the answer. Take some more time to give the answer. They will not answer immediately. The rubric reflecting inability to. Another rubric answers reflect long. So it's usually taking more time to answer because of his inability to reflect or inability to grasp. And the second rubric answers reflects long. Gets so angry when things do not happen according to his wish. He'll become so angry when things do not happen according to his wish. Anger violent. Things don't go as he wishes when. You have to select this type of exact rubrics or the sub-rubrics, then we will get the correct remedy. Otherwise, if you are taking the rubric anger violent, that may have a lot of remedies. But this is specific. Things do not go as he wishes when. Dreams of failing in the examination. He always seeing the dreams of failing in the examination. Dreams, failure, examination. That's the rubric. Mentally tensed during urticaria. She is very tense during urticaria or the skin rashes. Mind sensitive urticaria in. Mind sensitive urticaria in. Another rubric quarrelsome urticaria in. These two rubrics are there in complete repertory by Roger van Zandervoort. And the mind anxiety rash urticaria with specific rubric. Mind anxiety rash urticaria with, that rubric is also in the complete repertory. Though not acceptable to me, I was compelled to let my daughter marry a person of another community. That created some problem to me. That's not acceptable to me, but I was compelled by my relatives and friends to let my daughter to marry a person from another community or another caste. But that affected me. The rubric, honor wounded. I have a good reputation in the society, but when my daughter or the son wishes to marry another person from another community or the caste, that affected my honor wounded. And the second rubric, ailments from mental shock. Ailments from mental shock. He killed his daughter who eloped with a man from another community. How you will work out this? The second incident. He killed his daughter who eloped with a man from another community. He married a man from another community. That affected because of ego, I killed my daughter. Egotism. When you see your old password after a long time, the rubric may be nostalgia. When you see your old password after a long time, and refuses to eat or drink from places other than his home. The child or the adult refuses to eat or drink from places other than his home. The rubric eating refuses to eat unusual places if feeding dish is at. Eating refuses to eat unusual places if feeding dish is set. That's a rubric. Repeating the questions asked by the doctor before giving the answer. The child repeat the question first, or the individual repeat the question first, then only answer. The rubric mind answering, repeat the question first. Answering repeats the question first. I brought up the kids well, but nothing happened well as expected. I brought up my children very well, educated them, but nothing happened as well as expected. They have no job, they have no higher qualification. So I am totally disappointed. The rubric mind ailments from disappointed. Ailments from disappointed. Wishes to lead his life having everyone closer and together, united with them. My husband or father has a wishes to lead his life having everyone, all the relatives closer and together, united with them. Can you suggest a rubric for this type of personality? They want everything in near, in the same house or nearby, leading a good life, having everyone closer and together. The rubric harmony desire for. Harmony desire for. I am an utter failure. I am an utter failure. The patient is always telling like that, doctor, I am an utter failure. Confidence wants failure feel himself. That's the rubric. Mind confidence wants failure feel himself. Should not be like this. Must have a change in my life. I am always interested in something new. A change in my life. The rubric change desire for. Should not be like this, must have a change in my life. This type of personality is always changing their mobile phone, changing their vehicle, or changing their life situations. Change desire for. Uses a lot of painkillers, oils and balms. She always using a lot of painkillers, oils and balms. Addicted to medication. Medicine desire to swallow large doses of. That's a rubric. If a particular patient is using the large number of painkillers, oils and balms, etc., you can take the rubric medicine desire to swallow large doses of. With regard to religion, he is very narrow-minded. He is a very narrow-minded personality. How you will work out this condition? Religious affections, narrow-minded questions. Religious affections or the narrow-minded questions. Never allow others to take his or her photograph. She or he never allow others to take photograph. That's an interesting rubric. Picture taken, aversion to having. Picture taken, aversion to having. Completely indulges in prayers and rituals at night. At night, completely indulges in prayers and rituals. Can you suggest a rubric from the repertory, either from the Synthesis, Murphy or Complete? The rubric is piety nocturnal. Piety, nocturnal. Extreme influence of the mother adversely affect the children's future. The influence, the unwanted influence of the mother on the children, that affecting or adversely affecting the future of their children. The rubric mother complex. It's a beautiful rubric from Synthesis Repertory, mother complex. Hesitate to spend money for the died father. The father just died. Thinks let younger brother spend money for the last rites of the father. He always thinking like that. Let others spend. My younger brother spend money for the last rites of the father. How you will work out this condition? Or situation similar to this? The rubric is miserly. A great desire to save money even in occasion that is considered necessary to spend. A great desire to save money even in occasions that is considered necessary to spend. Always fears that he gets dirty. That means the fear of dirt. The rubric misophobia in Synthesis Repertory. Fear of dirt. Answers the question in one word and then he stops. Suppose the doctor asks many things, but he answers like yes or no. Then no explanation. The two rubrics are laconic. That means answers. They will answer, but in one word only. Then stops. That is a laconic. And abrupt answers. That means the harsh or sudden answers without further explanation. Abrupt. Expresses his dissatisfaction or disagreement only by wrinkling the forehead. He always expresses his dissatisfaction or disagreement by wrinkling the forehead. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? The rubric is frown disposed to. Frown disposed to. The doctor, have you ever had an heart attack? No. Do you smoke? The patient, no, I quit after my heart attack. Dear doctors and students, remember this is the attitude of the patient. They always say no. But if you are asking some related questions, they will say the exact complaints. They are usually thinking that this is not relevant in my particular situation or in my for the acute complaint or the chronic complaint. So you have to ask some questions related to that particular situation. Then only they will give the exact answers. So if you are asking directly, have you ever had an heart attack? The patient directly said no. And do you smoke? No, I quit after my heart attack. So he has both smoking and also the heart attack, the past history. So this is not an easy task to get the full details from the patient. That we can learn only by seeing different type of personalities, different types of patients over a long time. And he is very much afraid to take responsibilities. Afraid to take responsibility. This is not aversion. So the rubric is ergasiphobia. If that is an aversion, then you can take responsibility aversion to. But afraid of responsibility, the rubric is ergasiphobia. Mental illness appeared when the skin complaints got relieved by the external applications. Mental illness appeared when the skin complaint got relieved by external applicants. How you will work out? This is also common in our day-to-day clinical practice. Eruptions after suppressed. Eruption after suppressed. Eruption after suppressed. Mental complaints after suppressed eruptions. He keeps himself unattached from her kids. He always keeps himself unattached from her or his kids. The rubric estranged. Estranged from children. Keeping a distance. Keep on telling that everything is his fate. He always telling about his fate. Mourning or lamenting about his fate. The rubric fatalistic. Fatalistic. Ability to take a decision faster. My father has an ability to take a decision faster. Or the principal has an ability to take a decision faster. The rubric decisive. Decisive. To snatch the wife's wealth, he killed his wife by letting a snake bite her. To snatch the wife's wealth, he killed his wife by letting a snake bite her. This incident happened recently in our state. The related rubrics, deceitful. Deceitful, that's the most apt rubric. Then avarice, greedy about the wealth of the wife. Then wicked disposition. Wicked disposition. These are the three rubrics related to that condition. Though I was insulted, I do not have any anger towards them. Though I was insulted, I do not have any anger towards them. Mortification. That's the rubric. Now we will differentiate from other similar rubric. I was insulted. I lost my name and fame. I was insulted by that fellow. I lost my name and fame in the society. The rubric, chagrin. Chagrin. I was highly insulted. The third condition. My car was destroyed on the Hartal day. It's a high level insult. Then you have to take the rubric vexation. So that's the difference between the mortification, chagrin, and vexation. Though I was insulted, I do not have any anger towards them. That is mortification. I was insulted and I lost my name and fame in the society, then chagrin. I was highly insulted. My car was destroyed on the Hartal day. That's a high level insult. Then you had to take the rubric vexation. She was good at studies. After the marriage, she had to remain as a housewife and she couldn't make achievements as she expected. How you will work out this situation? This is common in Indian scenario. Studied very well with a higher qualification also. Would like to go for a job. But the husband's family, they are not interested. Now she had to remain as a housewife and she couldn't make the achievements as expected. How you will work out? She has lot of desires and to achieve something for her qualification or to get a good job because she was studied very well. The rubric ailments from ambition deceived. Ailments from ambition deceived. That's very common in Indian scenario. Mother sacrifices everything for her children and the family. She sacrifices everything, her wishes, her dreams, everything for her children and the family. Selflessness, that's a rubric. And another one, servile. Servile and selflessness. These are the two rubrics available in synthesis and complete repertory. He won't do any mental or physical work because of laziness. He or she won't do any mental or physical workness. Mind laziness, physical and mental. Both mental and physical. That rubric is there under the main rubric laziness. Mind laziness, physical and mental. Mother scolded her. She left the house. How you will work out? Nowadays the new generation children or the daughter or the son, they are not at all interested to be advised by the parents. If the mother scolded her, she left the house. The most important rubric in that case, admonition aggravates. Admonition means gentle advice by the elderly people or the teacher or the parents for the benefit of the children. This new generation children, they are not at all interested in admonition, gentle advice. And the second rubric, escape attempt to house. He loved the children very much previously, but suddenly he started to hate them. He loved the children very much previously, but my husband suddenly started to hate them. That rubric is there under the aversion. Children too. Beloved children become suddenly burdensome for him. Aversion, children too. Beloved children become suddenly burdensome for him. From childhood itself, she had the desire to marry and become a mother. That's her main interest. From childhood itself, she had the desire to marry and become a mother. That is her only vision. Not interested in higher qualification, not interested in studying, not interested in getting a job. Her only wish in her life, that is a desire to marry and to become a mother. The rubric, children, beget and to have children desire to. Mind the children, beget and to have children desire to. That's the rubric. Throws and destroy expensive things at home when angry. He destroys only the expensive things like the TV, fridge or washing machine, like that. Not the utensils. So, throws and destroy expensive things at home when angry. The rubric, breaking things valuable others. Breaking things valuable. Whenever somebody says something, she gets hurt. She is very sensitive. Whenever somebody says something, she gets hurt. The rubric, sensitive criticism too. Despair criticism from smallest. Sensitive opinion of others. These are all the three related rubrics for that condition. Sensitive criticism too. Despair criticism from smallest. Sensitive opinion of others. Desire to live in a house or live in a house on the waterfront. He or she always like to have an apartment on the waterfront. Live closer to water once. Water, mind water, live closer to water, she wants. Happiness is a state of mind. See the means the third position holder and the first position holder. Happiness is always a state of mind. Can you suggest a rubric for this condition? That is self-satisfied or content. Self-satisfied. Even though he got only third position, he is very satisfied than that of the first winner. Self-satisfied or content. Spits at the mother's face while she feeds the child. Spits on mother's face while she feeds the child. Spitting neighbors, feeding when they are. The rubric mind is spitting, neighbors feeding when they are. Feels so weak that his hands and legs would get paralyzed. She always have a feeling that my hands or legs would get paralyzed. That's very common, especially in elderly people. If he or she gets some pain or some type of weakness in the shoulder or in the hip, they always think that the entire leg would become paralyzed. Two rubrics are there: fear, paralysis of. And the second rubric, delusion, paralyzed about to be. These are all the two rubrics we can think about in this case. Even though he or she get a mild pain in a particular area or a weakness in particular area, they have great fear of being paralyzed. Cannot think in the right way, feels much confused. Always confused, cannot think in the right way. Then the rubric, chaotic, 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 or chaotic also pronounced by somebody. Remaining introvert without saying anything to anybody. She always remains as an introverted personality without saying anything to anybody. Then the rubric is sulky. Sulky, that's the most appropriate rubric for that condition. Always speaks about sexual matters, nothing else. He or she always speak about or always dreaming about sexual matters, nothing else. Even in sleep and dreams, they're always thinking about sexual matters. The rubric is amorous, but in many instances that is only in words. But he spent a large part of his life for this sex. That means always indulging in sexual matters, but the practical indulgence is more in this case like the lasciviousness. In amorous, the practical indulgence may or may not be predominant, but in lasciviousness, the practical indulgence is more than the talk about the sexual matters. And the next high grade rubric is amativeness. Amativeness, high grade than that of the lasciviousness. Lasciviousness is the rubric for the extreme desire for sex, but amativeness is the high grade, the syphilitic rubric. He is so innocent that he could be tricked by anybody else. It is very easy to cheat or trick this personality. The rubric is naive, Naive, mind naive. Wife is so obedient. Wife is so obedient. Obsequious, that's equal to servile. Two rubrics are there, servile or obsequious. If he gets something, he remains completely indulged in it. If the child gets something, he remains completely indulged in it. That means occupied. The rubric related to that condition is occupied. Grown-up person behaving immaturely like a child. A grown-up person, a person of a grown-up age behaves like a child. Then we have to take the rubric childish behavior. This rubric should not be worked out for a children, but this is only for the elderly people or a grown-up person behave like a child. Desire to have a sexual intercourse with the parent of the opposite sex. Desire to have sexual intercourse with the parent of the opposite sex. That is a Oedipus complex. That rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Mind Oedipus complex. I am the one who is always right. I am the one who is always right. The exact rubric for that condition is positiveness. He always thinks that I am the only one always right. Positiveness. The refrigerator at my house has 3 doors and our pet dog is 3 lakh rupees. Always talking about this type of things, the household things or the trivial things. Always boasting. about this type of small things. That's a vanity. Vanity. Now we have to differentiate that from other rubric. Always speaks high of himself and about the things he had done. Then the rubric is boaster. Boaster and vanity is entirely different. Boaster usually have some achievements, but they always speak high of himself and about his achievement. Vanity, they have no achievement. They always talk about some trivial things. So that's the difference between the vanity and boaster. He remembers all events prior to the onset of his disease. Prior to the onset of the disease or the accident, he remembers all things. Memory, active, past events for previous illness. Another rubric, mind forgetfulness, remembers everything previous to his disease. That rubric is there in complete repertory. The first one in synthesis repertory and the second one in complete repertory. He remembers all events prior to the onset of his disease. So mind forgetfulness remembers everything previous to his disease. But after that, she is unable to remember anything. Suppose the doctor is asking, do you have any disease? Usually the majority of the patients say no. But if you ask like this, do you take any medications now? Then she will say, yeah, only insulin, then captopril, statins and fluoxetine. That is the answer given by the patient. If you are asking directly, do you have any disease? Or do you already have under anybody any previous illness? Usually they will say that no. But do you take any medications? Then the patient will explain about her medication. So remember, as I said earlier, the eliciting the history is a tough task. You have done so and so to me. Your character was already like this. You have done so and so to me. Years before, your character was already like this. Accuses another one of his act done long before. Accuses another one of his acts done long before. You have so and so years back, or up to in that particular age group, at that time, in 2001 or 2002, like that. Your character was already like this. You are always doing harm to me. Accuses another one of his acts done long before. Mind accuses. Then another rubric, memory, active, past events for, haunted by and longing for remembering the past events. Memory, active, past events for, haunted by and longing for remembering the past events. And third rubric, mind, grief, events about past, long past offenses. That's a beautiful rubric in complete repertory. Grief, events about past, long past offenses. This type of personality is always remembering the offenses that's happened to them years before. Then another condition, postpone his homework and say that he will do it tomorrow. Always postponing his routine works, his homework, the study. Then the rubric, procrastinate. Always postponing. And they concentrate in a single matter at the time and tries too hard to achieve it. At a time he will concentrate only in a single matter at a time and he tries hard to achieve that. Then only he can shift to another job. So which rubric will work out for this type of personalities? They will concentrate on one work only at a time. They will complete it. Then they will work hard for it. They will complete it. Then only they will take another work. The rubric, purposeful. Whenever he is sick, he keeps lamenting. Whenever he is sick, he keeps lamenting or mourning. Lamenting sickness about. That's a rubric. Lamenting sickness about. She underwent an abortion many years before. But whenever something is said about it, she will start to cry. Abortion that went years before, but whenever somebody is asking about that, she will start to cry. Weeping, sad thought at. Weeping, sad thought at. Behaves very rudely to others. When questioned about it, soon become humble. He always behaving rudely to others, but when questioned about it, soon become humble. The rubric hypocrisy, hard on inferiors or soft on superiors. That's the second rubric. Hypocrisy, hard on inferiors, soft on superiors. Always cries due to guilty feeling. She always cries due to guilty feeling. Weeping remorse with. The rubric weeping remorse with. Boss feel is always right and others are wrong. The boss always feels, or the father always feel he is always right and others are wrong. The rubric is egotism. Egotism, ego. Child cries even for silly matters. How you will work out? This rubric is available even in cancer preparatory. Weeping trifles, children at least worry. Weeping trifles, children at least worry. Weeping children worry at the least. Two rubrics are there. Weeping children worry at the least. And during the history taking, these questions may also be necessary nowadays. Have you ever filed a case against any doctor in the past? Have you ever filed a case against any doctor in the past? This may also be a part of the history taking nowadays. A new question in the section of the past history. Okay. When angry, doesn't even care what she is speaking. When angry, doesn't even care what she is speaking. The rubric is available under the abusive. Abusive. Care what she is saying. Does not. Does not care what she is saying. That rubric is there under the abusive. Train is always late. It is due to the irresponsibility of the government. Keeps on accusing others and murmuring without any valid reason. This type of personalities keeps on accusing others and murmuring without any valid reasons. The rubric grumbling, always complain without a valid reason. Grumbling, that's a rubric for that condition. Continuously complaining and saying that nobody understands his value. Always complaining that nobody understanding my value. In that case also the rubric is grumbling. Grumbling. Loves the smell of kerosene, petrol, etc. She always loves the smell of petrol, the kerosene. Smell acute, delighted by smells. That's one rubric. Another one, smell acute. Two rubrics are there, smell acute or smell acute, delighted by smells. My junior has performed better than me, but if I say about it, he might get appreciated. That is why I am not giving any appreciation. My junior has performed better than me, but if I say about it, he might get appreciated by the boss or appreciated by the principal or appreciated by the students. So in that case, the rubric is jealousy. Appreciate anything, desire that the others shall not. Desire that others shall not appreciate anything other than me. Desires that others shall not appreciate. Husband who is always gentle becomes so angry when the wife compares him with another person. Husband becomes so angry, or the wife becomes so angry when the husband compares her with another woman. Mind jealousy, brutal from jealousy, gentle husband becoming. That's one rubric. Mind jealousy, brutal from jealousy, gentle husband become brutal. Then another rubric is possessiveness. And the third one, comparison aversion to. That's rubric in complete preparatory. Comparison aversion to. I wish to be a famous doctor like my medical officer. For that, I would work hard like him. I wish to be a famous doctor like my medical officer or my teacher. For that, I would work hard like him. Envy, qualities of others. Envy is positive, qualities of others. I am a child neglected and abandoned by my father and mother. A child neglected and abandoned by father and mother. A beautiful rubric, mind ailments from neglected father by ailments from neglected by mother. Two rubrics are there. Mind ailments from neglected by father and neglected by mother. Medicines are different. Always think about excretions and defecations. She always complains about excretions and defecations only in our clinic. If she is satisfied with the excretions or defecation, she has no other complaints. So always complaining about this only in our clinic. The rubric is anal fixation. Anal fixation. The rubric is there in synthesis repertory. Leading an immoral life. He always leading an immoral life. The rubric depravity. Depravity is the rubric. Unexplainable happiness like sexual ecstasy. It is very difficult to explain the pleasure of orgasm. Can you give a rubric for that? Happiness beyond thought and self-control. Happiness beyond thought and self-control. It is very difficult to explain the pleasure of orgasm. The rubric is ecstasy. Happiness beyond thought and self-control. Does not like mother giving all care to the younger child. If the mother taking care of the younger child, I feel irritated. Jealousy, children when newborn gets all the attention. That's the rubric. Jealousy, children when newborn get all attention. Gives everything to somebody who flatters him, who appreciate him. Gives everything to somebody who flatters him. Flatter gives everything when flattered. That's the rubric. Flatter gives everything when flattered. Mess up everything in the kitchen to search and find a single thing. Messes up everything in the kitchen to search and find a single thing. That's a habit of some ladies. Then you have to take the rubric forage. F-O-R-A-G-E in synthesis repertory. Do not contradict with anybody. Accepts and obeys everything. Do not contradict with anybody. Accepts and obeys everything. That type of personality, that's a yielding disposition. Yielding disposition. Intentionally break the love affair, not trustworthy. He purposefully breaks the love affair, not trustworthy. Then the rubric perfidious. Intentionally breaking the faith of the wife. Perfidious. He knows how to conduct a program very well. Some personalities are like this. They know everything, how to conduct or how to organize a program, how to organize a tour program, or how to organize a cultural program. They are very expert in that. Rubric programming everything. Programming everything. Then the money lender who demands huge interest, demands huge profit for everything in return. Doctor demands higher fees for treating a simple disease. Even the doctor, they are demanding higher fees for treating a simple disease. Or money lender who demands huge interest. The rubric Ussurer, U-S-U-R-E-R. That's rubric in synthesis repertory. Ussurer. Only wives have this unique talent. Watch this image. Only wives have this unique talent. Can you give a rubric for that? The rubric is spying in synthesis repertory. He often meets some accident. Fractures is like always met with some accidents at home or outside home. Usually always we can see always with some fractures with some plastering. Accident prone. Second rubric, awkwardness, accident prone. These are the two rubrics available. Accident prone or awkwardness, accident prone. We can see this type of personalities always with some plasters or some supportive measures. Imposes law strictly on others. For example, Hitler. Which rubric will work out? The father always imposing the laws. Imposing many things. Father is so strict. Or Hitler. Then fanaticism. That means intolerant of views and concepts which differ from his. Intolerant of views and concepts which differ from his own. That is fanaticism. One who keeps self-control regarding a law. That is another type of discipline. The first discipline, that is fanaticism, like Hitler. But who keeps self-control regarding a law. That is also a discipline. For example, in the case of Gandhiji. Which rubric will work out? That means the conscientious. Conscientious is the rubric for that particular condition. Conscientious. Imposing discipline on others, though not following it in his personal life. That's the third one. Third type of discipline. imposing discipline on others, though not following it in his personal life. Then the rubric is hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Pretending principle, that's the meaning. Questions his wife when she speaks to other men. When the husband seeing the wife that speaks to some other person of the neighbor or some other salesman, he always questions his wife. The rubric in that case, that is suspicious. Suspicious. Thinks that everybody else are speaking about him or her. She always thinks that the others, everybody else are speaking about him or her. Then the rubric suspicious. Suspicious. Talking about her, people are. Talking about her, people are. That's the rubric. When mother is seen speaking to somebody, the kid urinate and here and there. When mother is seen speaking to somebody, the kids urinate then and there. That is because of jealousy. There is a sub-rubric also. A patient who has been taking allopathy treatment for his disease gets better by our medicine. Next time when he comes, say, doctor, I smoke less now and thus I feels better. Not because of your treatment, not because of homeopathic medication. Even though she had undergone lot of treatment for many years, now she feels better by our medication. The rubric assumes some reason for the ailment. Then the exact rubric is theorizing. Patient always making assumptions on the cause of their illness and prognosis. Patient always making assumptions on the cause of their illness and prognosis. That's a theorizing. Patient who tempted the doctor, doctor, if you can cure my disease, I will refer to you many patients with this type of disease. How you will work out that? It's common in our clinic. Patient, doctor, if you can cure my disease, I will refer to you many patients with this type of disease. In my village, this type of diseases are more, so that I will refer more patients. Which rubric you will work out in this case? The rubric is inciting. Inciting. Doctor, if you reduce my fee, I will refer many patients with the same disease I am having. This is entirely different from the previous question. Doctor, if you reduce the fee, I will refer many patients with the same disease I am having. Then the rubric is bargaining. Mind bargaining. Doctor, I am taking homeopathy treatment for the first time. Will there be any problem? Patient asks this continuously. Even though he had under the very strong allopathic medications for a long time, she is very much afraid. Doctor, I am taking homeopathy treatment for the first time. Will there be any problem? Patient asks this continuously. Fear undertakes anything. Fear undertakes anything. That's a rubric. Doctor asked the patient to avoid non-vegetarian food completely. Still he asked whether he could eat non-vegetarian food occasionally. Sir, can I take some time? He repeatedly asking. Then the rubric is bargaining. Bargaining. Doctor, you have cured many patients of the same disease I have. Why my disease only remains and not cured? Why my disease only remains and not cured? Then the rubric lamenting. Doctor, you have cured many patients on the same disease, but I am not completely cured by yourself. Then the rubric is lamenting. I have heard a lot about you, doctor. But are you that much expertized? If you cure my disease, I shall believe it. I have heard a lot about you, doctor. But are you that much expertized? If you cure my disease, I shall believe it. It's a comment by another patient. Then the rubric is inciting. Inciting. So try to understand the difference between inciting and bargaining. Patient refuses to be examined, fearing he is having a pain, but there is no pain at all when examined. Patient is not allowing to examine by the doctor, but when examined, there is no pain at all. Which rubric will work out in this condition? Fear, touched of being. Fear, touched of being. That's the rubric. So we have discussed some interesting clinical situations and interesting rubrics that we are usually encountering in our day-to-day clinical practice. We will continue this session. We request you to give your valuable reviews, suggestions and feedbacks. You can WhatsApp me at 9249337799 or email me at similima@yahoo.com, or even you can comment below this YouTube link about your suggestions, reviews and feedback. And please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, youtube.com/drmansurelli, and the part 4 that will be available soon in the YouTube. And that's all for the time being. Thank you.